bit more of an enjoyable day today compared to the last few.
It was nice. I went out for a walk around 1 o'clock after the noon show.
Just the fact that you could go out for a walk.
Exactly.
Right.
Yeah.
You could definitely feel the difference.
Right.
Yeah.
And not only was it a little milder, didn't really have to worry about the ice on the sidewalks.
Yeah.
So that was a
nice
nice improvement too.
Moving toward a bit of a very different end of the week.
Yeah, we have a big warm up, and we got to keep an eye on Friday. It's not going to be like one of the classic rain and windstorms we've had in the past, but there may be some outages, so that's something we'll have to follow as we get closer to it. Take a look outside this afternoon, just after sunset here, looking at Portland Headlight, 31 degrees there. Nice sunset scene over Casco Bay. Tomorrow and Thursday are both going to be a little milder, even compared to today. We'll have high temperatures up around 40, particularly in southern Maine. And then on Friday, that's really the day this week where the weather will be most impactful. It's going to be much milder. We'll attempt to get into the 50s, but that comes with rain and wind, and there will be quite a bit of snow that melts away, especially in central and southern Maine. In the mountains, though, the deeper snowpack will probably hold on and just absorb a lot of that rain. So fortunately, unlike previous rainstorms in December, 2 years ago comes to mind, we're not looking at river flooding. It's more poor drainage flooding on Friday. And it's brief, that warm up, because the cold quickly returns Friday night into Saturday. Right now we're around 30 degrees in central and southern Maine, 20s off to the north. The big change today, though, not much wind, and that won't change tonight. It stays fairly calm out there. Big ridge of high pressure here over the eastern U.S., and it's starting to shift to the east, which will change our wind direction out of the southwest tomorrow, and that transports in some milder air. That starts to happen tonight. It's not as cold tonight. Lows in the 20s central and south, teens off to the north. We'll have a mix of sun and clouds through central and southern Maine tomorrow. Across the north, there could be a snow shower or two during the day, but it's really just northern Maine that we'll see that. Southern Maine, it's partial sunshine through the afternoon. A little breezier out there tomorrow with the wind coming in out of the west-southwest up to 10 to 20 miles per hour, but that pushes our temperatures to around 40 in Portland and into the 30s even up north tomorrow. Thursday is still dry, no weather issues at all on Thursday. It's a pretty nice day. We get into the lower 40s for most. And then as this high drifts offshore, southerly winds amp up on Friday, and that pushes the rain snow line Friday morning way to our north. It's not even anywhere close. So this is a predominantly, if not all, rain event for us. And it looks like the bulk of it comes through right during the middle of the day on Friday. And out ahead of this cold front, we'll have a round of heavy rain and also some strong gusty winds for a couple of hours. And then the front goes by and cold air comes back in for Friday night. We're looking at about a half an inch to an inch of rain, except in the mountains. This purple shaded area here in the terrain, we could have up to 1.5 inches or so of rain, but the wind is a concern. As these temperatures get up into the 50s, we may have a period of time where we can get some gusts over 45 miles per hour middle of the day on Friday, and there's already a high wind watch that's up for the down east coast. So we're going to have to keep an eye on that wind for Friday. Some outages are possible. That would probably be the biggest impact out of this system, so just stay with us for updates over the next few days. Tomorrow sees 6 to 9 feet with a gale warning up on the water. Could be a snow shower to the north tomorrow, then a mix of sun and clouds for Thursday, a milder day in the low 40s, and then a windswept rain on Friday. Temps hit the 50s and then crash Friday night. It's much colder this weekend. Could be a little light snow on Sunday. Doesn't look like a big system, but could be enough to shovel in spots Sunday morning.
Oof.
Yeah.
Few
So that's a
things.
big change, rain to snow.
Right, yeah.
Big change.
Okay, Ryan, thank
Yep.
you.